Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a smart key. This particular key was found on models starting from 1999 up until 2005. It comes from models like Smart City, Smart Photo, Smart Passion. There are quite a few that use this particular key. Rather simple procedure. You have the key on the side. You will have a gap here which allows you for a flathead screwdriver to pop open. So it opens in two parts, and you'll have the battery just behind the board here. With the use of a small flathead screwdriver, you push it up and then you'll find the battery on the back. Please be very careful whilst you're using screwdrivers on this board so you don't damage any of the circuits or the contacts, or your car will not work with this key anymore. If you don't feel confident in doing this, please seek help from a specialist, or take your key into a specialist. Okay, so you push the battery out. In our case, we have a CR1620. I have placed a new battery in, and I'm putting the positive terminal of the battery facing up. Okay, once the procedure is done, we put the board back into its place, back into its original position, and align the case to lock. Okay, that would be the procedure ready. Make sure the case is clipping. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any queries or questions, please comment below. Have a good day.